At the heart of Elmwood Park, children's laughter mingled with the vibrant colors of countless balloons, painting the sky with joy. It was the annual Autumn Balloon Festival, an event especially magical for the little ones. Among the excited children was 7-year-old Mia and her younger brother, Jamie, each clasping a string W. A bright red balloon dancing at the end. Mia, adventurous and lively, had a plan. "Let's see whose balloon can touch the sky first," she challenged, her eyes sparkling with excitement. The contest was simple yet thrilling. They would release their balloons and see who's climbed the highest before shrinking out of sight. Standing side by side, they counted down, 3, 2, 1, let go. The two red spheres soared upwards, cheered on by the giggling duo. Mia's balloon took an early lead, catching a swift breeze, but Jamie's balloon was quick to follow. "Go, go, go," Jamie shouted, jumping up and down with energy that seemed to fuel his balloons as scent. The children ran across the grass, heads tilted backwards, eyes following their aerial racers. As the balloons ascended higher, Mia clasped Jamie's hand, forging about the competition and focusing instead on the shared wonder of the moment. The red dots shrank, but the excitement grew. The possibility that their balloons could actually touch the clouds felt real. Ultimately, both balloons vanished into the blue expanse, and neither Mia nor Jamie could declare a winner. It didn't matter though. The real prize was the gleam in their eyes, a mix of joy and awe. Joining their friends, they continued to play under the lingering confetti sky, the day fading into a beautiful, laughter-filled evening. The balloons might have drifted away, but the memories tethered firmly in their young hearts would stay forever.